Hello everyone, welcome to Shivam Automates. Today we'll be understanding about prompt engineering and we'll be looking for the multiple prompting types that we have. So let's understand what prompt engineering is. Before starting, most people think AI is smart automatically, but the truth is AI is only as good as the prompts we give to it. The same AI can give us the terrible answers, whereas can also give us the production level solutions just based on how we ask. And that skills called prompt engineering. Today, I'll be explaining four prompting techniques that every engineer should be knowing. If we talk about what those four are, so if the first one is zero shot prompting, the next one is few shot prompting, third one is chain of thoughts, and the last is role prompting. So these are four things that I'll be covering today, and what will be going through these with the real examples as well. So if we talk about zero shot prompting, so it is we directly ask AI something without giving any example. So it if we talk about how exactly this works, it's a simple, direct, and fast way, and gives us the output immediately. So if we talk about the practical implementations, so I have just used DeepSeek over here, and if I put the prompt like generate the test cases for logging in login to Amazon. So let's see what result we are getting. So this is zero shot prompting and it has given us the test cases, something like this. So test case description, precondition, steps and everything. It has also generated the negative tests. Let me just stop this as we don't need the complete response from him. So this was about the zero shot prompting. Now, if we talk about the few shot prompting. So for few shot prompting, how it actually works is we give AI certain examples that we want the test cases to be into this particular format, or if we want the test cases to be like this, we use the few shot prompting. So let's go ahead with that and give the prompt generate test cases for logging into Amazon. Take reference from the examples below. So these are some of the examples I have given. And if we ask him now to generate the test cases, it should use this particular reference. And this kind of prompting is known as few shot prompting. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So now we can see the results is different and more optimized result we are getting now. So we are getting the results based on the examples that we have provided, and the context and the content is good from the AI perspective. Now, if you talk about the third one, which is chain of thoughts, so this is going to be a slightly different, and This is one of the most important prompting techniques. Here, instead of asking just the answer, we ask AI to think step by step. And let's go how it works. That I'll just type think step by step and identify edge cases for login testing here. And I'll just select the thing over here and we'll see how it works. So now we can see what exactly the AI model is thinking, we can see over here. So we need to identify the edge cases and whatever the thought process the AI model is going through before generating the result, we just saw over here. So this is known as chain of thought prompting, and this is very beneficial for the purpose when we want to look how it is basically thinking and if it is thinking in the right way or not. So this is very important for most of the software engineers, and we should be utilizing it very properly. Now this was about the chain of thought prompting. Now, what about the role prompting, the last one? If we talk about role prompting, here we ask the AI model to behave like someone. So if I talk about myself, I'll just try to write the prompt like act as a senior SDET working in a fintech company and design the login test cases for a web-based finance application. So let's be more specific. Negative tests. Please create negative tests. So here what I'm providing the AI model is the role, the more context by giving the fintech company, and the limit of getting the negative tests only. So these are some of the best practices we should be following. And if we prompt like this, let's see how we are getting the response. So you can see when it is the thought process of the LLM, and we are getting only the negative test cases for finance application login. So why exactly we need this prompt engineering? So let's say we are vaguely prompting the AI models, let's say DeepSeek or ChatGPT. You're not providing the clear context around it, around any prompt. Then we'll be losing out of tokens only and we'll be wasting the time and will not be getting the required result. So if we prompt better, we might fall using less tokens and we'll be getting the results in less time than prompting vaguely and uh, m- prompting the AI multiple times without any context. This will definitely help us with our day-to-day activities. And I hope we all have got the idea by now that what are the zero shot prompting, what are a few short chain of thoughts and role prompting. I hope this helps and let me know in the comments if we need to cover something more on this. Thank you.